guys, it's Kayla.diy. What's up? Today I'm going to make a video with my friend Sharia. Today we are going to show you guys how to make this amazing galaxy glitter kind of phone case. So let's just get right into this video. Let's go. Okay guys, starting you will need some black craft paint and a paintbrush. For the next part, you will be needing some wood glue. For the next part, you're going to need purple, silver and pink glitter. Then you're going to go and paint the top half of your phone case with wood glue and sprinkle some purple glitter onto it. Then paint the middle part of your phone case with some more wood glue again, and then when you're done with that, sprinkle it with some silver glitter. When you are done gluing the last part of your phone case, sprinkle it with some beautiful pink glitter.